Hello and welcome. In this video, we will use the concepts that we have learnt in this video series and create a calculator. Okay, so this will be our first project. Now I have already written the codes for it. I will run it and I will show you how it has to work. Okay, and then I want you to pause the video and try it on your own. If it doesn't work, come back to the video and play the video and watch how I do it. Okay? Because there are two ways you can get the same result. Alright? So let me run it. So when I run it, it has to ask for the first number. I'll say 34 and hit enter. And after I enter the first number, it has to ask for the operation. So I'll say plus and I'll hit enter. Then it has to ask for the second number. I'll say 4 and I'll hit enter. And then it has to say number 1 which I entered plus number 2 which I entered is equal to the result. So 34 plus 4 equal to 38. Okay. I'll run it once again. I'll say 5 and now I will say star for multiplication and now I will say 9 and it says 5 star 9 equal to 45. So this is what I want to create. I want to create a calculator which can perform these operations. Alright. So pause the screen and try to write the codes by yourself. If not possible, come back to the video. Okay. Alright, so let us start writing the program. Now, what should the program do first? It has to say enter the first number, correct? So let us say that first. Print f enter the first number. Okay, enter the first number. And after we enter the number, it needs to be taken in. So scanf. What are we expecting, integer or double? So let it be double. Okay, and here we need to say num1. Okay, we are sending it to number 1, but here we have not declared the variable, so let us do that. Let us say double num1. Okay, double num1. Next, what should we enter? We need to enter the operation, correct? So printf and here enter the operation. Okay, and you need to take the value 2. So scanf and here, okay, percentage C and op, let it be and op. So let me declare charop. Okay. Now about percentage C, always remember that when you want to take input of character, you should not type percentage C. Always type in space percentage C. Okay. If you type in percentage C without space like this, then it will get you an error. This is because it will take the previous character as input and get you the output, which ultimately gets you an error. Okay, so always use space percentage C to take in character input. Okay, next, after this, what should the program say? It has to ask for second number. So let me copy this, paste it here. So here second number, and we have to store it in num2. So num2. Yes, so this much is done. Let us run and check if there are any errors. So let me run it. Okay, it asks for first number. I'll enter 3.4, enter the operation. So I'll say plus and enter second number 23. Okay, so everything is working fine till now. Now we need to do the operation and show the result. Okay, so let us have if statements here. Okay, let me make some space here. All right, so now I'll say if OP, okay, OP is the character that we have taken in for the operation. If OP is equal to plus, if OP is equal to plus, then what should we do? We need to print, okay, we need to print num1 plus num2, okay. So print num1 plus num2. Now this is, what is this? This is double. This is also double, correct? So we need to say percentage LF and num1 plus num2. Okay. Next, this is for plus. Now we need to have else if, correct? Else if. So else if OP is equal to minus, alright, OP is equal to minus, meaning if the user enters minus symbol, then let me copy this, because this is what we will be repeating for all, minus, okay, num1 minus num2, and from here on you can copy this. If OP is equal to star, then multiplication, okay, num1 into num2 will be the result, and then else if this is the symbol, then do that operation, okay, num1 by num2, okay, and then finally if any other value is entered, what should we say, what should we do? Printf invalid operator, okay, invalid operator. All right, so this is done. So let us check whether it works or gives any error. So let me run it. So it asks first number, I'll say 5.6, hit enter, and then enter the operation, division, enter the second number 3.5, and I get the result, okay. So this is fine, this is proper, it is working. So let me run, I'll say 5, and here enter the operation, I'll say G, and I'll enter 5, and it says invalid operator, okay. So this is fine, this is what I wanted. Now let me change the printf so that it looks proper, okay. So what I'll do is I'll have percentage LF plus percentage LF, okay, is equal to percentage LF, all right. I'll have this, okay. Now here we should have num1 comma num2 and num1 plus num2, all right. So what we want as a result is num1 plus num2 is equal to num1 plus num2. So this will be replaced by num1, this will be replaced by num2, this will be replaced by num1 plus num2 in the result, okay. In the same way, let me copy this and paste it here, and here let me make it minus, and here let me copy this and paste it here. This is star symbol, and we have this is, yes, and this is division symbol, and we have this, all right. So there's a extra comma here, so let me delete it, okay. So let me run it, and now it says enter first number 67 minus 32, and I get this as a result. 67 minus 32 is 35 as result, okay. So you can reduce the number of zeros, you know how to do it, add a point and a value here and get the answer, all right. Yes, so we have achieved our result using this if else method. Now let us proceed together and see the second way. of achieving the same result. Okay. All right. So we will get the same result using second method, which is switch case method. I have the preliminary things copied here. Okay. Same thing as previous section. Now here I will use switch case. Okay. So I will say switch, and here I am switching operation. Okay. OP. So OP, all right, switch OP, and here I will say case, and first case is plus. Since we are comparing characters, it has to be in single quotes. Okay, case plus. What do we want as result? Printf, and here let me say percentage LF percentage LF, then plus percentage LF is equal to percentage LF. Okay, so here I will say num1, num2, num1 plus num2. Okay, num1 plus, let me give space so that it will be easy, or it will be easier to understand. Okay, so this is our first case. We need to break this, all right. So let me copy this, 4 times, 2, 3, 4. Okay, second case is minus. Okay, second case is minus, so here also it is minus, and here also it is minus. Third case, it is multiplication, so multiplication and multiplication, multiplication and multiplication. Fourth case is division, and here too it is division, and here too it is division. Okay, and last is default. Okay, and for default we want it to print invalid operator. Okay, invalid operator. So now let me run this, and check if everything is proper. Okay, so enter the first number 23 and enter the operation plus and 27, and hit enter. 23 plus 27 is 50. So I'm getting the same result and everything runs fine. So 45 and star and 2. So 45 into 2 is 90. Okay, so I'm getting the result that I want. All right. So this is one more way to get the same result. All right. I hope you have understood. I hope you have solved it or written the program by yourself. If not, please go through it and learn this properly. Okay? Yes. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.